Next, I will discuss example of stoichiometry question. The first question. From what is known, we have to calculate the percent of sodium carbonate. By using the molarity formula, we can get the moles of hydrochloric acid and moles of sodium hydroxide by multiplying the molarity with the volume. So, we can get the moles of hydrochloric acid is equal to 0.0064 moles and sodium hydroxide is equal to 0.0037 moles. Then, we calculate the mole reaction for complete neutralization. First, we calculate the mole reaction in hydrochloric acid by reacting hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide into salt and water in a ratio of 1:1, so that we get the value of the moles of hydrochloric acid reacting is equal to 0.0027 moles. Second, we calculate the mole reaction in sodium carbonate by reacting sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid to carbonic acid and sodium chloride with a ratio of 2:1, so that we can get the value of the moles sodium carbonate reacting is equal to 0.00136 moles. To calculate the percentage of sodium carbonate, we use the formula of mass is mass equal to moles times molar mass. So we can get the mass of sodium carbonate is equal to 0.144 grams. Finally, we use the formula of percent is mass percent equal to mass divided by total mass times 100%. And the percent value of sodium carbonate is 44.6%. Second question, we must determine the empirical formula of the compound. To determine the empirical formula of the compound, first we use the formula mass divided by relative atomic mass to find the mole on carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. Then divide the moles of the element by the smallest result that carbon has at 0.03525. So we get the ratio is 1:2:2:2. So the empirical formula is dichlorodifluoromethane.